How to fix fail to load library COMDLG32.dll Roblox error. Hello friends, you might encounter this error when trying to open Roblox. Follow the steps to fix it. The first method would be run sfc and DISM commands and re-register the COMDLG32.dll file. For this, click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes, go to the video description, you will find these commands there, copy the sfc scannow command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Wait for the process to 100% complete. Once completed, copy the DISM RestoreHealth command from the description, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Then copy the command to register the DLL file, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Close the command prompt and close other running tasks. Restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed. In case the error still occurs, restore COMDLG32.dll. Sometimes an antivirus may falsely flag COMDLG32.dll as a threat and quarantine it. To check, open your antivirus software. I have not installed any third-party antivirus software. I will check into the built-in Windows Defender. To check in Windows Defender, click on search, type security, click on Windows Security, go to virus and threat protection, click on the link protection history. Here are the list of threats blocked or quarantined or removed. Check the file or folder, whether it is COMDLG32.dll. If you find COMDLG32.dll in blocked section, then click on action and select allow on device. Click on yes. Then check if the error message doesn't appear. If the error message still appears, then uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Click on start, select settings, go to apps, select installed apps, find Roblox in the list, click on three dots, select uninstall, click on uninstall, close the settings app, go to a browser, type Roblox, press enter, click on download Roblox, click on download Windows app, click on this exe file, Roblox is installed. Try to play the game and see if the error doesn't occur. If any methods don't work and the error message is still appearing, then you will have to perform in place upgrade. To perform in place upgrade, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, scroll down to this section, download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices, click on select download and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. If you have a ARM64 based device, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 device, select this option and click on confirm. Select the product language, check the language of your Windows, click on start, settings, time and language, language and region. Windows display language is English United States. Click on choose one and select English United States. If your language is other than this, then choose that one and click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to the downloads, which is generally the download folder. Right click on the just downloaded ISO file. Select Mount. Right click on setup.exe. Select Open. Click on Yes and check this box. This will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on Next. On the applicable notices and license terms window, click on Accept. Lastly, click on Install. Let the installation complete. Your computer will restart several times. After the installation, the issue should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.